Here it is.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for
Aha, knew it.
from Ocmulgee River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight
Okay,
Time,
good.
a severe thunderstorm was located
Darn it!
nautical miles
Curse you, Recon.
moving northeast.
Well, why didn't it go off?
34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, water spouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations and tactics include St. George Island and Apalachicola. Thunderstorms can produce sudden water spouts. Water spouts can easily overcome boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Oh, it doesn't sound distorted, so.